Did you know that Cajun cuisine is famous for its bold flavors and spicy kick? Get ready to turn up the heat with this delicious recipe. In today's video, you'll learn how to make spicy Cajun Chicken Linguine, a dish that's not only packed with flavor, but also easy to prepare at home. Whether you're a spice lover or just looking to elevate your pasta game, this recipe will add some serious zest to your dinner table. Many people struggle to find pasta recipes that are both flavorful and exciting. You might have tried classic Alfredo or traditional marinara, but sometimes you just want something with a little kick. That's where this Cajun Chicken Linguine comes in. It's the perfect way to spice up your dinner routine without spending hours in the kitchen. The secret? A bold Cajun spice blend that coats juicy chicken, perfectly cooked linguine, and a creamy, smoky sauce that ties it all together. If you're tired of bland pasta, this dish will wake up your taste buds. Now let's get into the cooking process. Here's what you'll need. Linguine pasta, the perfect base for our creamy, spicy sauce. Chicken breast, seasoned with a bold Cajun spice mix. Heavy cream and Parmesan cheese to create a rich, velvety sauce. Garlic, onions, and bell peppers for added depth of flavor. Smoked paprika, cayenne, and black pepper. The trio that brings the heat. We'll start by seasoning the chicken generously with Cajun spices, then sautéing it to perfection. Next, we'll cook our linguine until al dente and prepare the creamy sauce by combining butter, garlic, and a splash of heavy cream with Parmesan. Once everything is ready, we'll bring it all together for the ultimate Cajun-inspired pasta dish. Now for the best part, combining everything. We'll toss the Cajun-seasoned chicken into our rich, creamy sauce, then mix in the linguine, letting all those flavors blend together. The heat from the spices, the smoothness of the sauce, and the heartiness of the pasta create an unforgettable combination. The result, a restaurant-quality meal right from your own kitchen. One bite, and you'll understand why Cajun cuisine is all about bold flavors and comfort food at its best. And there you have it. Spicy Cajun Chicken Linguine that's packed with flavor, easy to make, and sure to impress. The key takeaways? Balance the spice with creaminess, use fresh ingredients, and don't be afraid to turn up the heat. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a delicious new dish. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite spicy recipe? See you next time, and happy cooking!